Hello viewers, so welcome back to my channel. So it's winter everywhere and I wanted to add a few more paintings to my winter series, which is why I am doing another winter landscape today. As you know, landscapes have always been my forte. So today's painting is going to be an extremely easy painting, especially for the beginners, which you can complete in just one sitting. And this time I'm using poster colors again. So please don't go anywhere and please join me while I paint this calm and relaxing winter sunset scene. Be with me and I hope you will enjoy today's tutorial. And hey guys, I'm using my latest favorite water brush pens for my painting today instead of regular brushes. Although I used a regular flat brush to do the background, but the rest of the details will be added with the help of these water brush pens. They are super convenient to use, so wherever I go, I carry my sketchbook, a set of colors and these water brush pens. If you are already a subscriber, you must have already noticed by now that I am not painting today in my usual studio setup. So I am outdoors, and as I say, I have developed the habit of carrying my sketchbook everywhere I go. And I would suggest you to do the same if you want to brush up your painting skills and get better at it. So what do you think of today's tutorial video? I hope you liked it, and if you really did, then please do consider giving it a like, or if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel to stay updated about all the videos that I upload on my channel. And I can assure you that you won't regret your decision of subscribing to my channel, provided that you are a hobby artist and want to learn painting and enjoy your art journey just like I do. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching my video. We'll see you again in my next video. Till then, keep painting and keep enjoying your art journey. Bye-bye.